Hello dear customer, this is our QLQ automatic nylon zipper double slider mounting machine. The output is 3,600 pieces per hour. The machine size you can see, the length is about 0.7 meter and the width is about 0.8 meter and the height is about 1.7 meter. For this machine, one set machine only used for one side zippers. Okay, you can see this is the whole view of the machine. The zipper will go through the wheel and go into this part. In the back side, there have two slider vibrating plates. The slider will go through the channel one by one and will be fixing here. We can check this part. Two sliders will be fixing here. And this is the control panel. Now I will start the machine to show to you. Okay, you can see the zipper will go through this part and the back side two slider vibrating plate. The slider will go through the channel one by one and will be fixing here. Now we can check the slider mounting results. We can check two slider mounting is very well. Thank you.